Have you ever wondered how strong a lion pride is compared to other animal packs? The animal kingdom is a place of constant struggle and competition. From the vast plains of Africa to the dense jungles of the Amazon, animals have evolved complex social structures to thrive. We will journey into the heart of the animal kingdom to compare the might of a lion pride against other formidable animal packs. We will delve into their social hierarchies, hunting strategies, defensive tactics, and the intricate ways they communicate and cooperate. Join me as we uncover the secrets of their success and discover what it truly means to be strong in the wild. The African savanna echoes with the roar of the lion, a sound that sends shivers down the spines of all who hear it. This iconic roar is the anthem of the lion pride, ruled by a dominant male, easily recognizable by his magnificent mane. The lionesses, the core of the pride, are formidable hunters, their movements synchronized as they stalk their prey. Their bond is forged in hunting and raising cubs together. The alpha male protects his pride from threats. His size and strength deter rivals, defending territory fiercely. Despite challenges, the lion pride endures, thriving in the savanna. The African sun beats down on the savanna as a pride of lions begins its hunt. These apex predators employ a combination of stealth and strategy to secure their next meal. Unlike the solo hunts of leopards or cheetahs, lions rely on teamwork and coordination. The lionesses, the primary hunters, fan out across the savanna. Their movements fluid and silent. They communicate with subtle cues, their eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of movement. One lioness might take a flanking position, her body low to the ground as she stalks through the tall grass. Another group approaches their unsuspecting prey from the opposite direction, driving the panicked animal towards their waiting companions. As the tension mounts, the lead lioness tenses, her muscles coiled like springs. In a flash, she explodes from the undergrowth, her powerful legs propelling her towards her target. The success of the hunt is a testament to the lion pride's teamwork and strategic prowess. The African night is alive with sound, a symphony of insects and distant calls of nocturnal creatures. For a lion pride, the darkness brings new challenges, a time for vigilance and protection. The pride huddles together, a circle of warmth and security. Their senses are on high alert, listening for danger. Hyenas are a constant threat to lion cubs. These scavengers test the pride's defenses. Lionesses form a protective circle around the cubs. The alpha male roars, asserting dominance. It's a message to all who challenge the pride. Sometimes, the threat comes from rival prides. These encounters are tense standoffs. The lion pride's strength lies in its social bonds. The African savanna may seem chaotic, but beneath the surface lies a world of intricate communication and cooperation essential to a lion pride's survival. From subtle gestures to earth-shattering roars, lions have developed a complex language. The bond between a mother lioness and her cubs is particularly strong, and their communication begins from birth. Soft purrs and gentle nudges reassure the cubs, while playful nips and mock battles teach them valuable lessons. Within the pride, visual cues play a crucial role in conveying messages. A flick of the tail, a roll of the eyes, or a subtle shift in posture can communicate a wealth of information. Vocalizations like the iconic roar serve various purposes, from advertising territory to maintaining contact. By understanding and responding to each other's signals, lions coordinate their actions, hunt effectively, and defend their territory. Across the vast expanse of the African savanna, a silent battle for survival is waged every day. Lion prides, with their powerful physique and strategic hunting prowess, stand as apex predators. But how do their strength and survival rate compare to other formidable animal packs, such as hyenas or African wild dogs? An adult male lion, with its thick mane and muscular build, can weigh over 500 pounds, making it a formidable opponent. Lionesses, while smaller, are no less fierce, and their agility and hunting skills are unmatched. Hyenas, often depicted as scavengers, are also formidable hunters in their own right. African wild dogs, known for their endurance and cooperative hunting strategies, work together in packs to chase down their prey. While each of these animal packs possesses unique strengths, lion prides consistently demonstrate a higher survival rate, particularly for their cubs. Lions' larger size and strength give them a clear advantage in confrontations with other predators. Their social structure and cooperative hunting strategies ensure the pride's success. As we have seen, the African savanna is a land of stark beauty and constant struggle. Here, survival is a delicate dance between predator and prey, a testament to the power of adaptation and the importance of family. The lion pride, with its complex social structure, strategic hunting techniques, and unwavering commitment to its young, stands as a symbol of strength and resilience. From the alpha male whose roar echoes across the plains to the lionesses, whose teamwork and hunting prowess are a sight to behold, every member of the pride plays a vital role. They have learned to communicate, cooperate, and defend their own against all odds. In the wild, strength lies not just in numbers, but in unity and cooperation. The lion pride reminds us that even in the face of adversity, the bonds of family and the power of working together can lead to enduring success.